Carefully clean the area you are planning to apply the vinyl sticker to. Ensure it is thoroughly dry. Choose a location for your vinyl sticker, avoiding any obstructions, for example, the windscreen wiper blade. When you are happy with the position of your vinyl, remove the backing paper and apply the vinyl. Rub firmly using a squeegee or a credit card. Carefully pull back the transfer tape, keeping a close angle to the surface. Take your time and do this part slowly. Press the sticker down with your fingers firmly. You have now applied your vinyl sticker.